the cutout for the old stereo, and here's the new Clarion CMS4 that's going to be installed. We can see that this new Clarion unit is both narrower and taller than the old unit. So what we're going to do is get some poly material, probably some starboard or its equivalent, like this was the old plate, and we'll manufacture a new plate and put it in. It'll be secure and look attractive. When you cut this material, use a fine bladed saw, a metal saw blade, and know that it makes quite a mess. These little BBs tend to be created. So we'll use the old plate as a template, which has now been cut to size, or blank has been cut to size using it. We're now going to use it as a drilling template for the mounting screws for the plate, not for the stereo, to mount the plate back to the boat. So now that we've used the old mounting plate on our blank to cut it to rough size, we are now going to use that old plate to drill the four corner and mark the four corner mounting holes in the new plate before we cut out the interior part that will fit the new CMS4. All right, so we've cut the template and taped it to our blank. We're going to drill out the inner dashed line, because remember, the CMS4 control unit is going to fit flush mounted into our mounting plate. And then our mounting plate will surface mount to the boat's console. So the workmate came in handy. We switched to that as a work table, and we drilled the inside corners of our template prior to using the jigsaw to cut that out. So now's a good time to see if it fits. All right. At this point, if you had to adjust the hole with a file or a couple of careful swipes of the saw, that would be okay. Just go slow and easy. You don't want it too sloppy fitting. Slow and easy. You can always take it off. You can't put it back.